Hey Fly Girls, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Michaela. Hey MK, Elia B, I'm all three. Whatever you feel like calling me, that's who I am, okay? I'm gonna answer to all three. I am back with a unboxing video and I can't wait for y'all to see what I got. But before I get into it, I need y'all to subscribe. I need you to like, I need you to comment, I need you to share, all that good stuff. And I also need you to hit that bell in the bottom corner so you never miss when I make a post. Now, before I get into this video, okay, I just want y'all to know, I know I haven't been posting in probably like a couple weeks, besides my button up video, 6 ways to style a button up. And if you haven't watched that, I'll be sure to link it below. But your girl been having a lot going on, okay? I've been having a lot going on. I've been doing a lot. I've been going through a lot. But that's no excuse, okay? So, again, I'm here. I'm ready. I got some things for y'all to try. I got some exciting news towards the end of the video that I'm really excited to share with you guys. So, I hope you're just excited and just as anxious as me. So, let's get into it. I'm so excited. Now, I have this big box. Oh my gosh, I've been waiting to open this box all week. And I'm like, no, I have to make sure that the video is right, everything is right, because this right here is very out of my comfort zone because I am not this kind of person, okay? I'm very just like high-low fashion, high-low lux, high-low, you know? But I went high fashion with these, okay? And issues, okay? So matter of fact, I'm not even gonna wait till the end of the video to tell y'all the good news. So some of you know, some of you don't know, I work for Macy's and they have a program called Macy Style Crew. And basically it's like their own influencer program and they're using employees that work with Macy's. Of course, because we always get to see the stuff first and we always get first dibs on the stuff. So they only selected 300 people and your girl was so excited. They got 3 different levels, so I'm a level 2 ambassador. So basically, if I share anything to my YouTube or tag anything from my YouTube from Macy's, if anybody shops, which I hope y'all do because I be getting some cute stuff, as long as I make my metrics and I do good, then I get a commission off of it. So it's like I'm just getting paid all around and that's what I'm feeling. And then it's really cool too because like even if I do content like outside of work, they'll still pay me for it. So I gotta log it and then get that little extra dough so I can do some more unboxing videos for y'all, okay? So that's the good news. I couldn't wait. So now let's get to the shoes. Okay. Now, you know them Facebook ads, they be getting y'all. Cause they done got me, okay? And first of all, they kept showing these advertisements for sex and it was like all this cute stuff and I'm just like, oh, I don't need nothing. But then they advertise these shoes. And I've been looking at these shoes for like a month, like since my birthday. I've been seeing these shoes, and I'm like, yo, do I really want to buy these shoes? First of all, do I really want to spend this money on these shoes? Like, it's so many other things I could do with this money right now, but I'm like, it's my birthday month, and I want to treat myself. My trip was a gift, but it wasn't a gift, so I'm like, I want to get myself like an actual gift. And I was just like, you know what? Let me just go ahead. Now, like I was saying earlier, like I'm not really like a designer girl, so like I don't really care about like designers and stuff, like because I like clothes. Like I could wear anything. Like I could wear something from Goodwill and make it look like $1 million. You know what I'm saying? So I don't really be too pressed. And I was like, if I do buy designer stuff, it'll be clothes, but it'll number one be shoes because I'm a shoe girl. I love shoes, okay? I don't care if I get them one time or wear them one time. I love shoes. Like, I'm always going to buy shoes. Like, okay? And let me tell you something else. I am the friend that is going to encourage you to buy. Oh! Okay, so they came from Saks, like I told you. Yo, and I've been talking about these shoes for, like, so long, and like I finally got them, like finally got them. So I'm so excited, like I'm just so But okay, I'm gonna just be quiet and just do my thing. And it's really cool because I got a gift card, $150 gift card for my purchase. So I'm gonna be buying some more stuff. I don't really know what you can get from Saks at for $150, but I'm gonna find something. Shoot, I'm gonna go look at the clearance or something. You know, even if it is just one little thing, I'm gonna find it. But here's my Saks gift card. Yay, Saks! Thank you. I got a month to use this thing, so I gotta figure out something to buy. Oh my gosh, y'all, they even sit in a box. Like, I have not opened them. Oh my gosh. Oh my god. Versace. Like, Versace. Like, I'm just like, yo, how you go from not buying designer stuff, not wearing designer stuff, to Versace? Like, you went to the highest of the high. Like, girl, you ain't gonna lose. You ain't know who somebody love. You ain't do like no Alexander Wang or like no Marc Jacobs, bitch. You just straight up here. You went from here to here, okay? But y'all, this is the unboxing. Like, I have not opened these shoes. Like, they've been sitting in my room, and I've been like, yo, be patient, because you gotta do this for YouTube. Like, the girls gotta see. They gotta see. Okay. This is just showing the shoe that I got. Oh my god, yo, wait till y'all see these shoes. What's this? So it comes with a little Versace card. What is in here? I guess it's just like the tag and everything, and the info on the shoes. This is cute, but this is not what I want. This is not what I'm trying to get to. Oh man, let me chill out. Okay. Comes with a little dust bag. Oh my gosh, I cannot wait to take these shoes out, y'all. Like, I'm just excited as y'all because I haven't even seen the shoes. But my Versace dust bag, you know, it's the vibes. Please let these be everything and more. Oh my god. Y'all. Oh my god, I'm so in love with these. These look exactly how they look on this. Oh my god, on the advertisement on Facebook. These, oh my god, y'all gotta get into these. Hold up. Y'all, look at these shoes. Oh my gosh. Oh my god, look at the bottom. Look at that. Oh my gosh, y'all. I don't even want to put these on. Let me take this out so y'all can see the inside. Period, poo. Period, poo. Period. Oh, wait. Versace. Y'all, look at the Medusa on the back. Oh my god, these joints is fucking crazy. Oh my god. Okay. These are fucking perfect. Okay, first of all, I'm a slut. I know I'm a slut. First of all, I barely could walk in heels, but these are thick and they got this thick ass platform, so it's just like, I'm goody. These are actually the Versace Medusa music platforms. Pumps, actually. Are they pumps? Medusa music. Yeah, it don't say. It don't say if they're, I don't remember. I think they will be pumps though. Yeah, they're pumps. Y'all, I'm gonna slip on these. I don't even know where I'm gonna wear them to, but these are just giving me all the feels. These are giving me summertime. These are giving me fucking booty shorts and a motherfucking tank. with some shades, some hater blockers that go from here to here across my face. Oh my God. Anklets on both ankles. I really think I want to stack them. I just can't wait to style these. Oh, they match my shirt. They match my shirt. How cute. Oh, I ain't big. All the lion that I got on today. I'll make sure I link this outfit as well. But it's about the shoes right now. Like, I can't, with some white toes. If I would have had these when I went to Costa Rica, bitch, you wouldn't have been able to tell me nothing. Okay? I would have wore these the whole trip. I would have been walking up and down the hill in these, okay? Because I was going to get my cardio in. Okay, let me just try them on. Let me try them on. Now, these are not the shoes that you need to wear when you're drunk. And if you are wearing them when you're drunk, then you need to have some slides or something in your bag, because these are type heavy, and which is I kind of figured, because the double thickness of the shoe, the platform, and then the heel on the shoe. So they are pretty heavy, but these are for sure gonna last you forever, like for a while, because they're made from like all leather. They're good material. So yeah, these are really freaking cute. What you looking for? Kind of heavy too.
You know, they were strictly for cuteness, girl.
That's exactly what they are. Faye exactly said it. They are only for being cute. Like, you literally have to walk in and sit down. Like, there's nothing else that you can do with these shoes. like nothing. Except for maybe take like some cute like nude pics or something for your boo, but that's neither here nor there. And I know I'm not in the camera, but the camera is not supposed to be on me. It's supposed to be on these fly ass bomb ass shoes. And I just love how they just match my shirt like so perfect. Like, this was not even planned out, but like I can definitely do like some videos. These shoes, style these shoes with some new B arrivals. But y'all, oh my gosh, I'm having a shoegasm right now. I'm having a shoegasm. My mom is gonna scream. She's gonna be like, oh my God, why can't we wear the same size? Why can't we wear the same size? These, I wanna ride it, baby. I wanna ride. 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 Oh my gosh, you sing this so long, y'all. I gotta get my pics together. I gotta get my captions together. Like, these are, I love these so much. Yeah, y'all, I'm about to go practice walking in these, practice being cute on this carpet, because if you can walk on carpet, you can walk on anything. And yeah, I'm gonna just stare at myself in these. I'm gonna take all my clothes off and just wear my little lingerie underneath, and I'm gonna just look at myself, because that's how I'm feeling right now. But let me know in the comments, how y'all feeling about these shoes? Like, are these a hit, a miss, a cop, a drop? Like, how would you style these? Would you even wear these? Like, what would you do with these, you know? Where would you go? What's the vibe? We're definitely doing white toes. These definitely need white toes so they could pop off the shoe. Yeah, these is it, y'all. These were, and I have a 37, so that's a size 7, and these fit perfectly, like so perfectly. So I would just get your normal size. They do come in half sizes, if you are like a 6.5 in between sizes, but I'm normally a 7 in shoes. It's just sneakers that I'm not. So yeah,